I would like to present the process of making pure drinking water. Get absolute healthy pure water with minimum and one-time investment. Presented by K. Swati, guided by TVL Padmavati Madam, School Assistant, Physics. Preface. Total world water divided like this. Our total earth is covered with 3/4 of water. In that, 97.5% is covered with salt water and fresh water is only 2.5%. Breakdown of fresh water. Fresh water is breakdown like this. 70% is in the form of ice and snow, which is available in mountain regions. 29.7% is available in groundwater, and only 0.3% is fresh water available in lakes and rivers. Fresh water usage. Fresh water is using like this. Only 0.3% fresh water is available for human usage. Among 70% for irrigation, 22% for industrial purpose, and only 8% for domestic usage. First of all, presently we are getting pure drinking water through water filter, aqua, etc. by above middle class population. There are some disadvantages of current purifier. It leads to cost and reinvestment, utilization of more non-renewable energy resources like LPG gases, kerosene, electric power, etc. Another category of people are getting pure drinking water by boiling and filtering on kerosene stove, gas stove and on firewood. But it leads to polluting the atmosphere by releasing carbon dioxide into air, which in turn leads greenhouse gas effect, acid rains and global warming. People are drinking impure water like this. Many diseases caused due to drinking of impure water, they are diarrhea, cholera, typhoid, hepatitis, dengue, etc. People are polluting like this, and this is the arsenic disease which is caused to hands and legs, loss of hair fall, and she is suffering with cholera due to drinking of impure water. So therefore I am here by demonstrating a preparation of making pure drinking water with single unit one time with low investment through solar energy. Working principle. This plant works mainly on three principles: filtration, evaporation and condensation. Description. A single unit pyramid shape. Water container having inlet and outlet with two trays. Approximate cost 600 rupees only. Keep the instrument exposed to sunlight with duly filled water in inner tray. Approximate 4 to 5 liters. Filtration and evaporation. As sun rays passes through pyramid shaped glass unit, in all the directions, the water gets evaporated very fast because the inner tray is coated with black coating. Black absorbs heat faster and makes water hot. This hot water converts into vapors and walls of glass obstructs moving up. Water vapors and gets cooled. Further converts into water and it will be accumulated in the outer tray of the unit. After 2 or 3 hours, purified distilled water will be collected through outlet. The same can be shifted to a container. This distilled water is very hygienic. It can be used multi-purpose such as domestic and for laboratories. Conclusion. Easy method, minimum investment, no repeat investment like candles, filters, etc. Within the reach of common man. Healthy water leads to healthy life. Best utilization of non-renewable energies. Thank you.
Wonderful presentation, wonderful explanation, wonderful concept. Everything is extraordinary.
Thank you, sir.
Sounds so great. What you wanted to become?
I want to become doctor.
Doctor. Okay. And then so that you don't have to give medicines because you only give this water. Huh? Okay, that's good idea. Good idea. Huh? So, how many liters you can produce per day?
Per a day, this is only model.
Huh.
So we will produce 4 or 5 liters for a day.
Okay, that means that you made it for your only purpose because you only drink 5 liters per day. But I drink say 10 liters. What I need to do?
We have to increase this size.
Which size?
If we want more and more water, then we will keep this to the direct sunlight.
Okay, but anyhow, this also you are keeping for direct sunlight only, no? If it is not exposed to direct sunlight, it's not going to greatly help.
No.
It won't
It's
work.
only solar radiations, not sun rays. This
Huh.
will work for only solar radiations also.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir. Now there is no sunlight, but it is working.
Okay. But I also will think about it. You also think about it, okay? How effectively it is going to work with radiation like this weather atmosphere now, okay? How it is going to help. The condensation will take place.
తెలుగు మీడియం సార్
తెలుగు మీడియం వండర్ఫుల్ ఆన్సర్ తెలుగులో చెప్పేసి అమ్మా బట్ నువ్వు తెలుగు మీడియం నుంచి చదువుకుంటూ ఇంగ్లీష్లో ఎంత గొప్ప ప్రజెంటేషన్ ఇచ్చావు కదా కంగ్రాట్స్ అండ్ ఆల్ ద బెస్ట్ ఫర్ ఎంటైర్ యువర్ గ్రేట్ కెరియర్ ఓకే విల్ బీ యూనివర్సల్ ఇంటర్నేషనల్లీ యాక్సెప్టెడ్ గ్రేట్ టాలెంటెడ్ గర్ల్ okay so you'll be great honored doctorate for entire globe not for a country okay
Thank you, sir.
okay what else okay that's fine